Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice exponential equation, which is 4 to the power of x minus 5. This is equal to 20. So what is the value of x? Now let's provide a solution from here. So this implies that we have 4 to the power of x minus 5. This is equal to 20. Now let's take minus 5 on the right hand side so that we have 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 20 plus 5. So this is to mean that we have 4 to the power of x. This is equal to 25. Now to solve for the value of x, here, let's introduce logarithm on both sides. We have log 4 to the power of x. This is equal to log 25. So we have that log 4 to the power of x. This is in the form of log a raised to the power of b, which we can express as b log a. Now, applying this power log property, this follows that we have log 4 to the power of x becomes x log 4. This is equal to log 25. Now, the next step is to divide on both sides by log 4. Here we have log 4. Now let's simplify here log 4 and log 4 so that now we have x is equal to log 25 divided by log 4. Now the next step from here, we can express x. This is equal to log 25. Log 25 can be expressed as log 5 to the power of 2 divided by log 4, which is log 2 to the power of 2. So that now the next step is to apply the power log property here so that x is equal to log 5 to the power of 2 becomes 2 log 5 divided by log 2 to the power of 2, which is 2 log 2. And this means that 2 and 2 here simplifies so that we have x is equal to, this is log 5 divided by log 2. We have that log 5 over log 2. This is actually in the form of log a divided by log b, which we can express as log a to base b. Now, applying this logarithm property, this follows that we have x is equal to, this is log 5 to base 2. Now, this is the value of x. This is the value of x. The next step is to verify that this value of x satisfies the equation. So let's verify from here. Now, if you recall, we end that 4 to the power of x, subtract 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Now, let's substitute the value of x from here. So we have 4 raised to the power of log 5 to base 2, subtract 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Now we can express 4. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 2. So we have 2 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of log 5 to base 2, subtract 5. This should give us a value of 20. Now this indicates that we have 2 to the power of 2 log 5 to base 2, subtract 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. Now since 2 is a power here, we can express this as 2 to the power of log 5 to the power of 2 to base 2 minus 5. This should give us a value of 20. Now we have that 2 to the power of log 5 squared to base 2. This is in the form of a to the power of log b to base a, and this should give us a value of b. So this is to imply that 2 raised to the power of log 5 squared to base 2. This should give us a value of 5 squared, and this is equal to 25. So let's substitute 25 here, so that now we have 25, subtract 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 20. So we have 25 minus 5. This is equal to 20, and this is equal to 20. So this is to imply that the left add side is equal to the right add side. And this proves that the value of x, which is log 5 to base 2, actually satisfies the equation. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe. See you in the next video.